Pune, an ancient city in Maharashtra and an important political center in India's history. Situated 175 kilometers southeast of Mumbai and rightly called the Oxford of the East, Pune is known for its bustling educational institutions and is also an emerging IT hub for the country. India's ninth largest metropolis, Pune stands out as a cultural megacity with its thriving theatre, sports, and spirituality. On 23rd of February 2013, Pune finally received its long-deserved spiritual landmark of the New Vedic Cultural Center, or the NVCC. Built over an area of about 2 lakh square feet and spread over 6 acres of landscape gardens, the majestic structure houses the deities of Shri Shri Radha Vrindavan Chandra, Jagannath Baldev Subhadra, Gaur Nitai, and Balaji. The artistically constructed complex has been erected to serve as a spiritual beacon light for the entire city of Pune and was formally inaugurated on 23rd of February 2013 by the Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee.
I am glad to have the opportunity of visiting this magnificent center, which has been built with artistic skill and also with noble objective to serve the people. Almost 500 years ago, Sri Chaitanya, who overwhelmed the whole of India by his message of love, humanity, created such a powerful movement in a short span of his life, whose influence continues till today. After paying my respectful homage to the founder of this movement, Srila Prabhupada Ji, I thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.
Utkarsha Camp is an annual youth camp organized by Pune chapter of the Vedic Oasis for Inspiration, Culture and Education, or VOICE. In the June of 2013, Utkarsha Camp was hosted in the NVCC, Pune. After an eventful academic year at the college, full of ups and downs, Utkarsha Camp comes as a much-needed relaxing vacation for college students looking for a spiritual ambience. An opportunity to connect with students from multiple colleges across India, Utkarsha Camp provides a soothing opportunity through a wide range of events and offers a glimpse into the rare and profound Vedic wisdom. With the number of attendees being in hundreds, this is one of the most awaited events in the VOICE calendar for the entire year.
After a long, busy, hectic schedule from college life, finally we ended to a place where we can breathe our own air.
Usually I thought of it would be like our Sankalpa Sphurti camp, but as I was a part of this camp, I got to know many more things, and this is such a powerful camp which can completely change your life.
One of the striking features of the camp are the thought-provoking and enlightening discourses by His Grace Chaitanya Charan Prabhu and His Grace Radhe Shyam Prabhu.
Only because of the desire to be most effective.
In Bharatavarsha, especially in Kali Yuga, they are praying like that. All the devatas, they want to come here.
I
liked the lectures, the very enlightening lectures by His Grace Radheshyam Prabhu, and also we got opportunity to associate with spiritual scientists, His Grace Chaitanya Charan Prabhu.
I am attracted to lectures most because His Grace Radheshyam Prabhu's lectures are completely down to earth. The philosophy he wants to convey something at a very high level, but it appears as if I'm understanding everything. It's so easy. The speaker was introduced, that was His Grace Chaitanya Charan Prabhu. I've heard about the Prabhuji before, but I've never had the experience of hearing to his lectures. I just sat. The moment Prabhuji started lecture, I was lost.
Another attractive feature of the camp were the presentations, the ecstatic hilltop sankirtans, and the dramas.
And the drama was first A-class drama. I've never seen such kind of dramas in my life.
When I saw the first drama, I thought, oh, they must be professionals. But after the drama was over, I was just told, no, these are my seniors only. Everything was done by seniors. Makeup, direction, dialogues, narration, everything completely.
Participants were also mesmerized by the faith and doubt session, specially designed to answer any question related to science or spirituality.
There were many sessions of faith and doubt actually. Believe me that we could ask any type of question and any number of questions. That was most amazing part that I could feel here. Before coming here also, we were allowed to ask some questions, but due to some or the other time limitations, we could not ask as much as doubts as we had. But coming here, I felt that we could ask any type of doubt, any number of doubts. So it was very ecstatic for me, and the atmosphere was so free that we could not hesitate to ask the doubts. We could directly raise hands and ask, and if somebody is little hesitating, he could write a cheat, write a question on that, and he could submit it to Radheshyam Prabhu or His Grace Chaitanya Charan Prabhu, and they would answer it so wonderfully that not a single drop of doubt would remain in our heart.
Participants also enjoyed the darshan of the deities, the morning aartis, the kirtans, and of course the prasadam.
Prasadam is very opulent and delicious. The taste is still on my tongue.
It's like not even every day, each time, the morning, breakfast, lunch, dinner, every time you'll have a feast.
All the participants expressed that Utkarsha camp was nothing like they had expected, and that it was a life-transforming experience for them.
So this was a very nice experience. I have spent my holidays very nicely here. I never thought that I would be dancing thrice a day in my vacations.
I think Utkarsha is the place where you can get your own personal conviction on scriptures and Krishna consciousness. Believe me, it's a place where all your doubt will be resolved. You'll get your own conviction and faith on Krishna.
It turned out to be completely different. I never expected, just in that 5, 6, 7 days I could learn so much. I could know about myself so much. No, it was just amazing.
After coming to Utkarsha, I learned actually what exactly science is and what spirituality is. So it is very necessary, and one must have a basic understanding of how should we see the science as and how should we see the spirituality as.
Overall, Utkarsh camp is very great experience to me. I learned many things, so it has changed my way of thinking and the perspective towards my life.
If you think that Vedic Gurukul environment is just an imaginary concept nowadays, you could be very well wrong. Find out the answers and solidify your determination on the path of spirituality. Experience the joy and fulfillment inherent in Krishna consciousness by feet tapping and soul-stirring kirtans. Bathe in the transcendental showers of mercy in the early morning Mangal Aarti and get to know what actual feasting means by tasting nectarine spiritualized food offered to their lordships and feast on the mercy flowing through it. So let us experience this joyride, an amalgamation of culture, education and devotion in the divine residence of Shri Shri Radha Vrindavan Chandra at the New Vedic Cultural Center. Do not miss Utkarsha Camp.